Hey guys, welcome back to German Made Easy. Today we learn how to get to know someone in German, which means jemanden kennenlernen, getting to know someone. In German, there are two ways to address someone. One is the use of Sie and the other is du. They both mean you in English, but Sie is much more formal, whereas du is informal. So Sie is used to address strangers, business associates, acquaintances, whereas du is used to address family and relatives, friends, children, and even pets. Wie heißen Sie is the formal way to say what is your name in German, whereas Wie heißt du is the same in informal. But the answer remains the same, that is Ich heiße Simon or Ich heiße whatever your name is. Wie ist Ihr Familienname is the formal way to say what is your last name in German, whereas Wie ist dein Familienname is the informal of the same. But the answer still remains the same, that is mein Familienname ist Müller or mein Familienname ist whatever your surname is. So continuing the same pattern, woher kommen Sie is the formal way to say where are you from in German, whereas woher kommst du is the informal of the same. The answer still remains the same, that is ich komme aus Deutschland or ich komme aus whichever country you come from. Wo wohnen Sie is the formal way to ask where do you live in German, whereas wo wohnst du is the informal of the same. The answer still remains the same, that is ich wohne in Frankfurt or ich wohne in whichever city you live in. In the formal way or the Sie form, we say how old are you as wie alt sind Sie. In the du form or the informal way, we say wie alt bist du. In both the forms, the answer remains the same, that is ich bin 24 Jahre alt or ich bin whatever your age is Jahre alt. To learn how to say numbers in German, you can watch our previously uploaded videos. In the formal way, you say which languages do you speak as welche Sprachen sprechen Sie, and in the informal way you say welche Sprachen sprichst du, and the answer to which is ich spreche Deutsch und English or ich spreche whichever languages you speak. As a beginner who's learning German, you should not really get worried about the sentence structures. For now you can just learn these questions and answers, but in our upcoming videos we'll get to know about the various sentence structures. And I'll also upload the videos of how to say various languages and countries in German. In the formal way, you ask what are your hobbies as was sind Ihre Hobbys, and in the informal way you say was sind deine Hobbys, and the answer is meine Hobbys sind Einkaufen und Fußball spielen, or mein Hobbys sind whatever your hobbies are. So this was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram where we post very interesting facts about Germany and the German language.